what is the topics? What is this?
Without argument, without return.
Without return means no argument, no return. You see, this is the function. I make it globally after include. Okay. Then void main, then start. I directly call it because this is the main program. I directly call it. Call it means without argument. You see, there being no argument. Okay. Then I use the subprogram in test because this is in test. It's clear. This declaration initially we used to make it here, but I make it globally after include. Okay, this is the main program. Test no argument. Then subprogram in test no argument. Then int a equal to 20, b equal to 80. Printf a and b. So no return. It's clear. Are you getting or not? This is the example for no argument and no return. You see no argument, within bracket nothing is there. And no return in the subprogram. It's clear? Hello?
Sir, what is test?
Test is the function name. This is the in test, no argument. Test means a name. So once you reach there, it will come over here. And it will go what is available. What is available? Print A and B. So this value will be written over here. Display the value over return here and display. Means it will display A equal to 20, B equal to 80. So this is the example, no argument and no return. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In earlier, I used to say int, add, int A, int B within bracket, is not it? Means that is function with argument. And some program I used to the return factorial, last return fact means what? This is the return part. But in this case, nothing is there. No argument, no return. So that's why it is without argument and without return. This is the example. Okay. So instead of that, you can put instead of test, you can put display. Display what? A and B. You make it display. This should be display. This should be display. Any name you can go. Over. Any doubt? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last one is what?
No argument.
Without argument and with
Return.
with return. Okay. You see, this is the example. I make it globally. Int addition, no argument. Because without argument and with return. Okay. So here, this is the function declaration. No what? Argument. Then void main. Then int sum. I declare a variable in sum. Sum equal to add bracket. So this is the function. Add addition bracket. So I assign it into sum. Sum is a new variable. That's why I declare in sum. It's clear. I assign the function whatever value is coming in sum. Then what is there? Printf sum. I display the result. What is coming over here? It will display over here. This is the main program. Here having no argument. It's clear. Now if you go for a return part, int addition no argument. Then what is the new variable we use? Int a equal to 20, b equal to 80. Then c equal to a plus b, and c is the new variable, abc is the new variable. So I declare it c equal to a plus b, then return c. So no argument. Okay. with return what? C. And this value will available where? Sum. And sum will give us what? 80 plus 20, 100. It's clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So I have discussed all the type function with argument, with return, with argument, no return, no argument, with return, and no argument, no return. Now come to the point, next point, that is called pointer. Okay. So pointer means, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Like int A, int B, int C, but the working principle is slightly different. So how to define pointer? Pointer is a variable which hold the address of another variable. Okay. If I put int A, I have discussed many times. If I declare this, what computer will do? Computer will occupy some memory location, identity A, this is value, and this is address. So this figure is created by the system. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a simple variable. That's why I'm putting int A. Okay. If I say pointer, it is declared by int star A. This is declared by one asterisk symbol. Int star A. So this star differentiate from simple variable to pointer variable. Okay. If you go for int A, this is the scenario. But if you put int star A, means the concept is different. Concept is different means it does not hold any value. If I put int A means what? I can put a value 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Isn't it? If I put int A means a number. It may be 5.5 also. It may be some character also. But character, it should be character, but it should be either real or integer number. Okay. But if I say star A, this should not be a like real number or integer number. It means if I declare these two variables, int star A comma B, it does mean, what does it mean? A is a,
Pointer.
here A is a pointer variable and B is a
Integer variable.
integer variable. Okay. So means so this is the scenario. I'm talking about B. If B equal to 10, so 10 will be available here. The variable is B, and this address is generated by the system. We don't know, but for explanation, I make the address myself 101. It's okay, so that you can understand. But in computer, the address is different. But for explaining purpose, I'm putting this one. Now, star A. Star A means this is also a variable, but it is pointer type. So it's having also address. So I put it 1020. It is 1010. It is 1020. So what is the value? This value is not normal integer data or floating point data. Okay. It hold the if you assign like this way, equal to ampersand B means A hold the address of B. So now in B case, what is the address of A? 10. What is the address?
1010.
1010. That value is available here, not data. 1010. Now it's clear. So pointer is a variable which hold the address of another variable. That is the definition. Okay. How to define a pointer? It is a variable which store the address of another variable. This is the concept. This figure is clear.
Yes, sir.
It is a variable which hold the address of another variable. If you put this line A equal to ampersand B. So we use two symbols here. One is star, another is ampersand. This is address and this is value. So star always give the value and ampersand always give the address. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
So this ampersand means address of B. Okay. A equal to address of B. It is assigned like this. So that's why A is a what? Pointer variable which hold the address of another variable. That is the concept. So pointer is a variable which hold the address of another variable. Okay. Now, if this is clear, can you write down this thing? Int star A B equal to ampersand B, then B equal to 10. Can you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Then printf percentage U ampersand B. Next printf percentage U. I dictate just percentage D, not B. Second line percentage D, A only. Percentage D ampersand A. Then printf percentage U, D or U. Percentage U A. And finally printf percentage D star A. It's clear? It's over.
No, sir. Sir, third line star A or simple A?
Third line singular. Fourth line star A.
Done, sir.
Done na?
Yes, sir.
In first one is printf percentage U, then ampersand B. Is it? So now we got one more parameter. Earlier we used to have D, F, S or C. Now we have new parameter, that is, you see, and we have what? Percentage D, percentage F, percentage C or S. This is not discussed till now. Now we have new parameter, percentage U. So D is for integer, F for what?
Float.
Float or real, and this is for character, and U for unsigned. Unsigned means there will be no sign, plus minus. If you go for integer value, you can go for either plus or minus. If you go for floating point number, also minus and plus. But U stand for unsigned. Unsigned means it will only for address. Okay. One more concept is there. If you go through this thing, what A store?
Data.
A store what value? Huh?
Integer.
Integer. A store integer means not integer, the address of
B.
A store, the address of
B.
B. Okay, you see. What is the value here? 10
5060.
5060. So 5060 is which address?
Of B.
B address, and B value is what?
10.
Address of A.
B value is
10.
Address.
10, because I am putting int A and B equal to integer. So if B equal to float, then what happens? If I make it B equal to float, then I can put B value equal to 10.5, 10.1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if I make it a float, be careful. If I make it both float, then what A will hold? Integer or float?
Float.
What is the value of this? Because address is always, you are going for address in solid number, not fractional number. Are you getting? Whatever address given by the system, this is always solid number. You see, what is there? 5050 and 5060 likewise. But if I declare it both are float, float means the B will hold not float number. It will hold the address, and address always solid number. Be careful. Okay. So indirectly I can say pointer always hold what number?
Solid number.
Solid number, because that is your address, and address never be fraction. You can't put 5.5 as an address, but you can put 5.5 as a data. Okay. Whereas you are declaring both are float. It does not matter. Both are float. Float A star, star A or B. But thing is that it always hold, whether it is float or integer, it always hold the solid number. Solid number means integer number. Be careful. It may ask in some competitive exam also. What is the value of a pointer? Or what type of value or what type of data pointer will hold? Directly you can say that solid number, that is integer number. Okay. So the third U means unsigned. Unsigned means if you go for this address, there having any positive, negative. It never be positive, negative. It is a solid number. So that's why while you are going for address, it always go for unsigned. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
It is not D, it is not F, it is not S and C, because you are going for address, and address is a solid number, there being no plus and minus. That's why it is unsigned, and it is represented by U. Okay. Now come to the first part, printf. percentage U ampersand B. What ampersand says? Ampersand says what? I have already given two symbol is used in pointer. One is star, another is ampersand. So star always go for
Below
value and ampersand always go for
address.
address. Okay. Now if you go for the first printf, what it will display? The address of what?
B
B. So what is the value?
10
Address of B is what?
5060.
5060. Next one, percentage UA means no star, no ampersand. Generally, we used to write percentage DA. Printf percentage DA. What is outcome? If I write printf percentage D, comma A, then what it will display?
Sir, value of A.
I'll say simple one. If I write this line, what it will display? Huh?
Sir,
Value of A.
Value of A, exactly. And in the second printf, what is the value of A?
5060.
5060. So this is a value or address?
Address.
Address. That's why it is percentage U. It's clear.
Sir.
The value of A is the address. That's why it is U. Okay. Means wherever U is there, this is nothing but address. This is a simple one to understand. Wherever U is there, this is a address. What is the third one? Printf percentage U ampersand A. Third line. Printf percentage U ampersand A. What is that? The third printf ampersand A. What it will display?
Sir, value of A.
Ampersand A. A stand for ampersand stand for what? What ampersand says? What is the meaning? It returns address.
Address.
So what is the address of A?
A.
Yeah, address of A. What is that?
5050. 5050.
60.
5050. Then the earlier one is 5060. Value of A. Second one is value of A. Okay. And third one is address of A. Now come to the point, last one, star A. Star A means, till now what is the value of A?
Sir, can you repeat that?
Till now what is the value of A?
50. No.
5060. 60.
60. So value of A means star A equal to, I can write this way, star A equal to star 50.
60.
Is clear? Star A equal to the value of A is this one and star. And this star says that within this address, what is available? Within this address, what is available? What is the address?
5060.
5060. Within
60.
5060, what is there?
10.
10. So last one will give you. Okay. So this is the result.
Sir, can you repeat the third one?
Third one. Third one, printf percentage u ampersand a. This one, printf percentage u ampersand a. Okay. So ampersand go for address. So a address of a is what?
5060.
From this address of a is what?
5050.
So 5050. This is the 5050. What is there? 5060. 5050.
Yes, sir.
It's clear? Okay. So this is the main concept you have to remember. Okay. Pointer is a variable which hold the address of another variable. This is the first point. Second point, in pointer we are using two different symbols. One is star, another is star, another is what?
Ampersand.
Ampersand. Ampersand always go for
Address.
address and star always go for
Value.
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 the value. Okay. Now some point is there. You just note it down regarding pointer. The content of a pointer is an address. Write it down. The content of a pointer is an address. Over.
Yes, sir.
That means it holds a solid number. That means it holds a solid number. Number two, pointer addition, multiplication, and division are not allowed. Okay. Pointer addition, multiplication, division are not allowed.
M class one.
Over.
Yes, sir.
But pointer subtraction is allowed. But pointer subtraction is allowed. Over.
Yes, sir.
Pointer subsection is allowed to know how many elements are available. Okay. Pointer subtraction is allowed to know how many elements are available between two pointer. Okay. And third number is the size of a pointer is 2 byte. The size of a pointer is 2 byte. Over.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
What is the last?
The size of a pointer is 2 byte.
Can you recognize this program? Make it bigger. It's clear. No, এটা চাও ও এই রেলিং এর আছে রেলিং এর ইপিন বাইরে পড়া চবার
Yes, sir.
but this is not correct. Okay, because I have given one point. What is that? Pointer
Addition is not allowed.
not allowed. Pointer addition is not allowed, but using pointer addition is allowed. Are you getting what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
I am adding what? Directly pointer. This is not allowed. But if I say you have to do one thing. After declaring the pointer star ptr 1 comma star ptr 2, let's say a and b. The ptr1 equal to a, ptr2 equal to ampersand b, ampersand c equal to just as I am giving to explain it, try to understand first. This part is clear. I declare two pointer 1 and pointer 2. I use two variable A and B. I assign the variable PTR1 address of what?
A.
A, and PTR2 address of B. Is that it? So after that, just wait. I put on variable C equal to PTR1 plus PTR2. Then what it will give?
Sir, address of A plus
If I
address of B.
put S equal to PTR1, address of A plus address of B. But what we are looking for? We are looking for A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Okay. We are looking for what? Addition of A and B. A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Now what I am doing? I am adding only what? Address of
A and B.
A and address of B. But what we are looking for? We want to go for summation of 5 and
6.
what? What is it? 5 and
6.
or what? 5 and 6. Now what to do? Tell. How to go for this data? I want to add 5 plus 6, but by going to this, we are adding the address, and this is not correct. Adding the address is not correct. Okay, because you are looking for 5 plus 6. What to do?
Sir, PTR1 equal to star A